Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make online quiz in Kahoot. Creating an online quiz in Kahoot is a straightforward process that allows you to engage students, friends, or participants in a fun and interactive way. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a quiz in Kahoot. Visit the Kahoot website, then make sure you are logged in. Once logged in, click on the Create button located at the top of the screen. In the creation window, choose the Kahoot option, choose Blank Canvas, then give your quiz a title that reflects its content. Optionally, add the description to give more context or instructions to the participants. You can add the cover image to make your quiz more visually appealing. Choose whether you want your quiz to be public or private. Public quizzes can be found by others, while private ones can be only accessed by those you shared the link with. Then hit Done. Click the Add Question button to start adding questions to your quiz. Choose the question type. Kahoot offers multiple choice questions by default, but you can also add true or false, puzzle, and more if you have a premium account. Enter your question in the question box. Add up to 4 possible answers below the question. You can add the image or videos to the question if you like. Click the check circle next to the correct answer to mark it as correct. Kahoot allows multiple correct answers if needed. Set a time limit for how long participants have to answer each question. The default is 20 seconds, but you can adjust it to fit the difficulty of the question. You can also adjust how many points each question is worth. Continue adding questions by clicking the Add Question button, then repeat the above steps for each new question. Once you've added all your questions, click on the Preview button to see how your quiz will look to participants. After previewing, click Done or Save to finish creating your quiz. Your quiz will be saved to your account and can be accessed from your Kahoot dashboard. After the quiz is completed, you can view detailed reports on how participants performed. This is useful for identifying areas where participants might need further instruction or review. By following these steps, you can create an engaging and interactive online quiz on Kahoot that's ready to be shared with your audience. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.